The Premier has defended her government's performance despite a report which shows Queensland has the worst performing economy in the country. CommSec partly blames the summer of natural disasters for the poor showing, but the opposition says the government's got the fundamentals wrong.
CommSec State of the State's quarterly report paints a dismal picture of Queensland's economy, ranking it the country's worst.
Queensland's really being hit by a number of factors, natural disasters, as well as the high Australian dollar impact on the tourism sector.
This latest report is really an indictment of the way the Queensland economy has been forgotten by Labor over the last 20 years.
The report found economic growth has gone backwards, contracting 3.6% in the last 12 months. Population growth at 1.7% is the slowest in 11 years, while investment in equipment, housing finance and construction is also down.
What we have seen is the Queensland construction sector and the tourism sector really struggle. That's why in this year's budget we've put in place the new Queensland Building Boost. It starts on the 1st of August.
The opposition puts the majority of the problem down to the government's poor economic management.
The last Access Economics report, before the floods and cyclones issued in December last year, still showed an economy that was flatlining.
All of the state economies of Australia were hit by the GFC, and they were all, including Queensland, starting to experience real bounce back at the end of last year.
CommSec says better times are just around the corner.
The outlook for Queensland is very, very good because we will see the rebuilding, we will see the refurbishment after the floods, and the agricultural sector is really going to be a stunning performer over the next 12 months.
The Premier's gone further, predicting in the next year Queensland's economy will grow faster than any other state, with the biggest private investment and export growth in decades. James Kelly, ABC News.